In this quick video, I will show you how to fix the FACEIT error called TPM Attestation Failed on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's start with the basic fixes. Step 1. Enable virtualization in BIOS. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS. For AMD CPUs, enable SVM mode. For Intel CPUs, enable Intel virtualization technology, also called VTX or VMEX. Save the changes and restart your PC. Step 2. Enable Secure Boot. Go back into the BIOS. Open Advanced or Security Settings. Find Secure Boot and turn it on. Save settings and restart your PC. Step 3. Make sure TPM is enabled. In BIOS, enable TPM or FTPM. Save and restart your system. Step 4. Boot Windows correctly for dual boot users. If you use Windows with Linux, enter BIOS. Go to Boot menu and manually select Windows Boot Manager. Start Windows from there and launch FACEIT again. Step 5. Update BIOS. Optional but recommended. Search your motherboard brand on Google with BIOS Update. Open the official website and update BIOS only if needed. Follow the manufacturer's steps carefully. After doing these steps, restart your PC and launch FACEIT. The TPM attestation failed error should now be fixed. If this helped you, subscribe and turn on notifications for more PC fixes. Thanks for watching.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.